guest today, my cousin Amelia. Today we're going to be making slime putty. We just like to call it slime putty, but it's actually slime. So, these are things you'll need. You'll need a bowl and a spoon.
And you'll need some containers for your slime.
If you don't have any containers, then use
plastic
baggies. And you'll need some detergent,
some glue,
Elmer's school glue,
and
some food coloring. So
first,
we're gonna take our school glue and put as much as you want. Yeah, as much as you want.
Okay, that much is
okay. Alrighty. Then after that, we are doing a mystery pick.
Okay, close your eyes, Clay.
Okay. Ooh, I got pink.
Crap, I got the light blue that we already did.
Okay. I'm going to always, for the food coloring, only put 2 drops of food coloring. So you get your right color.
1 drop and 2 drops.
Okay. Then mix it up until you get the right color you want. As you can see, I got this pink.
Hey, Clay, how can you get my dye again? I mean, because mine's turning light blue, not dark.
So yeah, just keep on mixing it until you get all of that white. All that white is disappeared. Has disappeared. When you're done like I am, I have my pretty color pink.
I'm not done.
You are going to get your detergent. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use Tide, Free and Gentle. And you want to put less detergent than Elmer's glue, or else you wouldn't be able to like stretch it. It'll get too,
and it'll just snap in half right away.
So yeah,
just put a little bit at a time.
Like that. Yeah, just put a little bit at a time. As you can see, I'm already getting slime like that. It happens really fast. And just continue stirring.
I'm getting some slime.
Alright, see how I have this? After you have this, you want to kind of like get it off your spoon and start playing with it. It'll kind of get like really slimy and stuff like this. So after when you're done playing with it, then you want to grab it like a container or a plastic baggie, whatever you have. Now a little more glue. Whatever you have to put it in. I know I'm getting my glue bottle really in stuff. So yeah, just remember, don't put too much detergent or else it'll be like this watery, slimy. So you can't really play with it. Yeah. So yeah, just continue playing with it. You can see I'm kind of getting this slime like that. At first, your hands will get all messy and stuff, but continue playing with it. Okay? So yeah, see how I'm getting it like now? Could you pass me a container and open it?
Sure.
And open it.
Wow.
Put it in the container. Not too long. Can you close it? Not too long. And not in too cold place and not in too hot place.
Perfect.
Just perfect, like room temperature. Okay? Yeah. So I'm just going to help her real fast. It's pretty much done. You can just start playing with it. Alright, start playing with it. Alright, I'm going to check on my slime and see how it's doing. It's doing great.
Slime is horrid.
So after a while, you'll have...
Kalea, can you get me one? My hands are covered.
Yeah. You'll get like this kind of slime. Like it's stretchy,
Kalea,
it's
can you
playful,
play with
it
mine
won't
for a little?
stick on my hands.
Kalea, can you play for mine a little? My hands are slime pie.
So yeah, so that's how you make slime. And comment down below of who you're gonna be for Halloween. I am being a robber, and she is being...
Ray from Star Wars.
We'll put a link down below of the trailer of Star Wars if you guys haven't seen it. So see you guys on Crafts and...